Now everyone is connected. Now my screen is visible. Let me know that, friend.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So I think everyone is came, right? Everyone is came. Okay. So everyone is there, right? Okay. So let's move on. Let's move on and let's see that, right? Let's see that. Okay. So even I just generated zero param constructor also. Okay na? After then setter and getter in the model class. Okay na? Because based on this one, right? Whatever our input is there in the GSP, based on that one only we will generate this model class, right? This model class. Okay na? So based on this one only we will create the model class. Okay na? After creating this model class, next what is that? Let's write the how one method inside what controller, which one will accept the data, form data, right? So I said that come to here, right? Come to here, right? So this is the model data. Whenever we will make the request, right, internally this form will become object based on this model class, right? After then we have need to write in the controller like this method. Then we can what? Then we can what? Read this data, right? Then we can read the data in the controller side, right? Then we can read the data inside the controller. Okay, so let's develop one inside that controller, right? So this method to presenting this GSP page on the browser, right? But we are sending the data, right? Form data. So this is the secure data, right? So for that one more method we will take in the same class, right? So for that what we will do now, we will take public another method, right? Public model, right? Model and view mb data, right? mb data, right? Model data I'm taking, right? Model data, inside that we will write the logic, right? But this method which return type I'm just taking, what is that? Return, still I'm taking return, return, return. Oh, just let's stop the server. I'm stopping the server. Okay na? So what is that? Come here, right? Come here. What is that? At the rate get, right? Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Here I'm returning null, return null. Just after then logic I will replace it. Okay now. So what is that? At the rate what is that? Get, no, sorry, post mapping, right? Post mapping annotation we will use, because we are going to make the request as what? Post type, right? Post type. Now what is that? Data. Okay, data, we are taking the URI as a data, but we have need to read it. Okay, come here, come to our diagram. So if we want to read the form data, which annotation we will use in the model and view argument? Model and attribute, right? Come here, let's write it in the this argument, right? In this method argument, at the rate what is that? Model and model attribute. Inside that what we will do now, I said that, right? I said that uh, our GSP, sorry, our MBC, this class, first letter will make, what is that? First letter will make, what is that? Small, right? Small. So for that, what is that? That one we will pass inside that. What is that? Inside that employee, EMPLOY, that object, because that based on the form we will make the input, right? So if we want to read the data as a local, means it's this method also. So based on this one, what we will do now? Employee emp, just I'm taking the reference name, right? So now, okay, so this is the argument. Based on this one, means we are reading the data, we are reading the form data based on this this, what is that? Object data, form data, means using, what is that? Model attribute, right? Next discussion also there, next discussion request parameter is there, though that is a different concept, don't confuse. I will, when we will reach on there that position, then I will introduce it. Okay, now let's learn the things as a step to step we will walk, right? We will walk step to step, and we will do the wonder. Okay, and so now, okay, so fine. So after that, same things what we will do now? Emp, right? Sorry, what is that? Model and model m equal to, what is that? New model, right? Model data, right? But after then what we will do now? M dot, what is that? Set, what is that? View name, I'm taking the view name. After then inside that, what is that? What we will do now? Imply page is there, right? That one only, EMPLOY, imply page, we will pass it, right? But we have need to send the data also to browser, right? So how we can send it now? Emp dot, what is that? Sorry, M dot, what is that? Set. No, add object, right? Add object, we learned that how many part is there in the model and view 2, right? So what is that? Just I'm taking the data, right? Data, I'm taking the name of data, And what I'm going to do now, emp, right? Emp, this one emp is there, right? So this reference we will pass here, right? Emp, we are passing this reference, right? After passing that, what we will do now, just return the model and view. Just return model and a view. I return that model and view, right? So the now controller, now our controller is completed. Okay, our controller is completed now. Fine. So okay, so our controller is completed or not? Okay, now our controller is completed. But input name based on where our JSP page, whenever we will put the data, how it will come, right? How it will come. So let's see that, right? So this data will become here in the emp. Form is there, right? In the form, what we are going to do now, form action, right? Inside that we will pass this URI. After then, what is that? Method, one more attribute, we will make the post, right? So post. Okay, so now, but see, still I left these things. Name is name, right? So name, based on that, how in the servlet we are reading, based on that name, right? Get attribute one, and sorry, get one, get parameter method is there. Based on that we are reading, right? So here, what is that? We don't have need, but model class, based on the model class, right? Which field we have need to read, this field name we will copy. We will copy it and we will paste inside that same name. Otherwise we will get the error. Same name, method name, sorry, attribute name and this name must be same, otherwise we will get the error, right? So now come, copy here and paste here, right? Here paste it in the employee name. After then come to here, what is that? Must be same, otherwise different, then I will show the error also, don't worry. Bad request, we will get the bad request 400, right? So now okay, so come here. Okay, now copy this one, come to GSP page, what is that? Here name gender name is what? This one, both names should be same, right? We will take the same. Okay, so now fine. So come here, right? Come here. Okay, now come, another one is what? Emp address, copy this one, right? Copy this one. Another one is what? Emp field, right? Here name is here. What is that? Inside that name, right? Inside that name. Okay, now emp country, copy this one, okay now here, what is that? In the name, country name, this one. Okay, now things is completed. Okay, now things is completed, but come here to show the result. I want to show the result in the GSP, right? I want to show the result in the GSP. What is that? See here this data will become dynamic. So I said that expression language, I said that we have need to read that data, right? We have need to read that data, where we have need to read that data, and how we can read it. Okay, so let's see that, right? How we can read it, let's see that. Okay. So now, okay, so what is that reference? Based on the reference name we will read it. Okay, now we will read it. So dollar symbol, I'm taking the dollar symbol. After then, what is that? How we are sending that data, come here. Okay, now how, what is the name? Controller, where the controller? Data, right? The name is data, right? The name is data. Okay, so data, come here, come in the GSP page. Data, I'm taking the data. Dot, what is that? Which one we have need to present? ID. Copy the same name, means this attribute must be same. Okay, na? Dot, how we are set get method, right? Same thing we are doing using JSP. Dot, paste it, right? Paste it. Okay, na? So okay, fine. Another one more time, dollar symbol, what is that? This is the expression language, friend. Okay, na? Data dot, what is that? What is the another field name? EMP name, right? EMP name, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, na? Another one more, what is that? Dollar symbol, right? Dollar symbol. Now dollar symbol, data dot, what is that? EMP password, right? EMP password, what is the field name? EMP PWD. Copy this one. Okay, na? Copy this one. Okay, na? Paste it. Okay, so okay, dollar symbol. Now okay, so dollar symbol, what is that? Data dot, what is that? Come here. Okay, what is that? Come here. Okay, na? So gender, right? Gender. Okay, copy this one and paste it. Okay, paste it. Okay, paste it. After then, another one is what? Data dot what? Another one is address is what? MP address. Okay, na? This is the, okay, na? So paste it. Okay, paste it. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, so fine. So another one is what? Another one is what? Dollar symbol. Dollar symbol. What is that? Dollar symbol. Data, right? Data dot what? Data dot what? Data dot what? Country, right? Country. Okay. So the things is completed. The things is completed. Let's run the application and we see the our desired output. Let's see that our desired output. Now all design and everything we are completed now. Okay, na? All things we are completed. Okay, na? So I'm going to run the application. Okay, na? I'm going to run the application. So okay, so now okay, now run the application. Okay. Okay, come to browser, right? Okay, same things only. Okay, now I'm copying this URL. What I'm going to do now, I'm pasting here. Okay, now I'm pasting the here. I got it, the page. Okay, okay. So here, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pass 101. After then Amit. After then, what is that employee password? Just I'm taking 1234 something, right? It will unreadable format. Now mail. After then Hyderabad HYD. After then India only, right? India only. Okay, now submit it. See here, see that 101 employee ID 101 Amit, and what is that password and mail Hyderabad and ID, right? Like this. Got it or not? I think you people is able to see that, right? So again here, if you change this one, right? Another one. Yeah, if you want to change here, right? Here like that, I'm going to do 102, right? 102, suddenly it will change it. Suddenly it will change it. Okay, na? 102 Padma, right? After then, what is that password? Is what GGG something I'm giving, right? After then, female and here US, right? US. After then, US. Okay, now selecting that. Now when I will click the register button, see the change. Okay, now here what is that? Employee ID 102, employee name Padma, employee password GGG something, and employee gender female, employee address US like this. Okay, now so like this we are getting that. Okay, na? And see how I prepare the base, and after then I created, right? I created the things and I'm able to explain to you people. Now anybody having any doubt in this application, now ask, right? Now ask. Okay, na? So now ask. If anybody having any doubt, unmute yourself and ask it. Okay, na? So see how I explain the theory on the as a diagrammatically. After then I started to explain it you people. Okay, na? Then I started to explain it you people. Okay, na? So see how much I am confident. Just I'm writing in the single time, and we are getting as expected result. Okay, na? See how much I'm doing the hard work. Don't see this one. See behind my to do these things behind the hard work I'm doing too much. Okay, na? Continuously I'm now. So see how we are able to read the form data, right? In the controller. See, first we will make the request as a get. After then we are reading that, how we are reading the data. After then how we are presenting on that, and even how I created the GSPH and everything as a practically what I'm doing now. After writing that, I'm showing to you people also. See, do like this hard work. Why not success will come? Why not success will come? Success is not success is means we only created success and failure, right? So do the hard work, that's it. Okay, na? Without hard work success will not come. That's it, I know that. One word. Okay, na? If people, if for the small amount of time per person will become successful also, right? That success will not longer, I know that. Okay, na? Suddenly when the technology, when the things will come new, right? Then the person will become what? Useless. So learn and do hard work. Analysis is more important than learning the things. Okay, na? How we are analyzing and how we are training our mind, that is also important. That is also important. Okay, Vasu, share the example. Okay, Vasu, I will share this one. Okay, now I will share this one. Okay, now just it. Okay, so now you people having the capability to learn the next level discussion. Shall we stop now? You want to break? Just clear it. I have the capacity, right, to explain next level also, right? Next level also I have the capacity. What is your, from your side? I want to continue. Suraj, Satish, give other people. Suraj, we are ready. Another, just two member, okay? What about others? Use it. Raj, we will take a small break and continue, Ravi. Okay, you want the break? Okay, take
No,
again.
Ravi, for your because continuously you are talking, just
Okay,
pause for little bit time, then
okay,
continue.
so do one thing. So okay, 6:26 is happening now, right? So again we will connect with after then 30 minutes, right? No, 13 minutes. No, 14 minutes. After 14 minutes, let's connect again and we will learn the next level discussion, right? We will learn the next level discussion. Okay, na? After then we will stop it. Okay, na? Let's take 13-minute break and we will, okay, na? Yes, Suraj, what is your doubt? Ask your doubt.
Hello, sir. Because sir, I understand the flow of execution, what the flow over there, but exactly properly means like from coding means like from com.rk.app init, like from that to from config. So how the flow which is going on. So can you please tell me exactly over there?
Yeah, I said that. Come here, come in the diagram, right? What I said that whenever clicking on the register, our IOC container creating the object, right? Our IOC container is creating the object based on that what model class, right? So based on the model class, our IOC container is creating the object form. Our form data is becoming what object, right? So but how we can read it, the form data using what is that add rate model attribute, right? This is the all magic is there based on this line only, right? Add rate model attribute based on that model attribute, and this code is the same previous code only, right? We are doing the previously, but just we are increasing in the argument this much code only, right? And we wrote what model class, and this attribute we are taking in the form name, right? Form name, in the form name this attribute only we are taking, right? Come here in the form name, whatever the name we are taking, right? This name must be same. If different, then we will get the error. You want to see the error? Okay, now just I'm removing one field, right? So now I'm running this application again. I'm going to run this application, right? So now, okay, so now next, okay, finish now. Okay, now next, now finish it. Okay, now. So okay, fine. So what we will do now, just I'm refreshing that. By refreshing only we will get the error. See, because we are binding the model class to whatever this one. Okay, now it's
Yes.
still application is running now. Okay, now. Okay, so now run.
So I want means exactly from like from app.config. So from that to from app.api. So how the flow in coding part. So I know I understand that diagram, but in coding part something like from execution flow. Would you please explain me that?
Suraj, your name is Suraj, right? Suraj.
Yes, sir.
Arey Suraj. Uh, Spring MVC. Again, I have need to explain you Spring MVC. See,
No, sir. No, sir. So only coding flow. Coding flow means from that whole project
okay, okay,
program
okay,
to
okay, 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 okay.
yes, sir. That
Let
only.
okay, okay. So whenever we are making the request, right? So request is coming this one, right? App in it we are writing this. This is the what web.xml. Think about that. We are writing the same thing in the Java web.xml, right? The request is
Yes,
coming here, right? Based on this one, what is that? Our front controller is initializing. Our front controller based on this URL, our front controller is initializing now. Okay, na? So our container is initializing the front controller dispatcher servlet, right? Based on the dispatcher servlet, right? Based on the dispatcher servlet, right? Based on this dispatcher servlet, what's happening now? So after then, based on that, what is that star we are taking, right? So the request internally dispatcher servlet is calling what handler mapper, where the metadata is stored about our own controller, which our own controller, this our own controller, right? So we are writing the add-rate controller, right? Add-rate controller based on this one. So based on this one, so it will calling this method. We are calling means our dispatcher servlet is calling this method, right? based on this name, right? Based on this name, it's coming in the app configuration, right? The internal view resolver, inside that we are giving the resource location, right? Resource location, this GSP page and this extension name. Okay, now then control is coming here. Then in our GSP, whatever data we are writing, that data is rendering that, and its data is representing to our browser. This is the flow only.
Yes, sir, I got it. Yes, sir, that's only I want. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, so now 6:30, right? So let's again come back. What? Let's again come back. What? 6:30 is happening now. Now 6:50, 6:50, 20 minutes. We will take the break. After then, 6:50 we will start again the things. Okay, na? 6:15, 20 minutes. Let's take the break. After then we will come back again. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's stop the session and we will come back within the 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, bye. Let's come back within the 20 minutes.